You have plenty clothes. What I mean by plenty clothes, you have clothes that when we start removing them from your wardrobe, or from your Ghana must go, anywhere you are keeping those clothes, they can clothe a whole nation or even a whole village. But then you're always like, I don't have what to wear. This video is for you. Hello beautiful lady, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adi Indikari. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why you have a wardrobe full of clothes and yet you still don't have anything to wear. You can fall among any of this category. So let's go into reason number 1. Reason number 1, you have like your wardrobe, there's plenty clothes in your wardrobe, but yet there's still nothing to wear. It could be that your fashion sense has evolved. But let me use myself as an example, right? The clothes I used to love to wear 2 years ago are not the clothes I like to wear now, because now I'm older, my body has changed, I've added weight. So the clothes that used to compliment me 2 years ago, I had bones and all of that. So my fashion sense has evolved. So you could be like me, that your fashion sense has evolved, but then in your wardrobe you still have clothes that you are hoarding. Like you have clothes that you have 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 20 years ago, you still have them in your wardrobe. So they're not really like aligning with like how you want to dress now. That's why if we open your wardrobe now, we'll see plenty clothes, but then you always don't have what to wear. So one way to do that is that for you to just let go of those clothes you're not wearing, then start buying new clothes too that is going to like fit into this new person or this new fashion sense you have. And that way you solve your problem of having plenty clothes and still nothing to wear. Category number 2 are those set of people that buy clothes based on impulse. You're just walking in the market, boom, 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 boom. You just see the shop. This woman, you're selling this gown is shiny, I like it. And then you buy it. This gown is pink. You buy it. This gown, I like what they wrote, Gucci. You buy it. Do you know what that does? You just end up buying like clothes instead of styles. And then that's why you want to go somewhere, you open your wardrobe, there's plenty clothes, but then you don't even know how to style it. That's because you bought things based on impulse. You did not plan, you don't know what you're liking or what you need, but you just go around just buying things. So that it could be because you just have like the money to throw around. So you're like, I have the money. So at the end of the day, you have plenty clothes, but at the same time, no clothes. You have clothes, but no style. There's a difference between clothes and style though. Category number 3 are actually people that buy things that are trending. This Gucci belt is trending. You buy it. This shoe is trending because everybody in your street has it. If you go into Instagram, you go to YouTube, you go to Facebook, everybody's wearing it, and then you just buy it. And then after a while, some of these trendy things, one thing about trendy things is that they will trend for a while and then they'll stop. And when they stop, you will not have that morale, that zeal to want to wear. Then when you open your wardrobe, you just realize that all the clothes I have here, they are trending. There's nothing I can wear. There's nothing to wear. So the way to solve that situation is to start investing in basics or in staples. Instead of buying things that are trendy, buy things that you know that will last you for a very long time. They will last you year in, year out. I'll put like examples of basics on the screen somewhere. So that's actually the way to go about it, because if you keep on buying things that are trending. Category number 4 could be that when you go buying your clothes, you do not obey the rule of 3. If you're going to buy a clothes, and that clothes you cannot style it in 3 different ways to 3 different occasions, you shouldn't buy it at all. This dress I'm buying, if I style it like this, would I be able to wear it to church? If I style it like this, will I be able to wear it to work? If I style it like this, can I be able to wear it to the club? If I style it a different way, would I be able to wear it for like, let me say, a picnic? Before you know the rule of 3 is that you have to know what your day-to-day activities look like. If you're the type of person that goes to school and then maybe you go to church and then you go to visit friends, maybe that's what you normally do, then you have to look, this clothes I want to buy, if I style it a different way, will I be able to wear it to school? If I style it a different way, will I be able to wear it to church? If I style it a different way, will I be able to wear it to to go visit my friends. So you have to always obey the rule of 3. And then reason number 5 could be that your clothes are disorganized. Yes, your clothes are disorganized. You know what they say, out of sight is out of mind. So those things that you are not seeing with your 2 eyes, they are most likely things that you would not remember you have. Even me, some of my clothes, if I don't get to see them for a long while, I used to forget I have them. Till maybe I see them like in somebody else's body, and I'll be like, oh, I have this dress. So this is your sign today that arrange your wardrobe. Maybe when you arrange your wardrobe, you will have what to wear for that wedding. You have what to wear for that graduation. If you want me to talk about any topic, you could tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much. I will see you same time next week. Bye.